So this is for all of you Amazon sellers like myself that have problems printing a shipping label. Now once you get to this point, this screen here, you've probably been here. This one's one I'm shipping out right now. I'm going to buy it. It's going to open the label and it just loads and loads forever. It doesn't ever load. And you've been like me, and you know, okay, I can save the image, which is a pain. You got to go through a bunch of other steps. Copy, well, you still got to paste it somewhere. Copy it, that doesn't do anything. So the best thing to do is open this thing in a new tab. Go over to your tab. If you're a Windows user and a Google Chrome user, you have this option, and then you can print. So hopefully this helped some people. This is a sample here, and we'll have some more videos on Amazon selling stuff. If you got any requests, leave a comment. Go ahead and subscribe so you can see it automatically, and like the video. Thanks for watching.